Okay, here's a quick video today looking at the Braun 32B and 32S. Now there's two here and there's two here. These are the Braun genuine parts made in Germany. These are the fake parts readily available on eBay. Although the packaging says made in Germany, they're certainly not. Now how can you tell the difference? Well, quite simply, the Chinese fakes have their cutting blades running on plastic rods. So if you pick the item up and shake it, you can hear the plastic runners hitting each side. The Braun genuine parts, they have metal runners and there's no noise at all. So that's the first way to find out if you've bought a genuine product or if you've got a fake. Also, the writing, Chinese writing on the back might be another clue, but the other area to look at is the glue where they've sealed the unit down here. It's very poor quality, it's not very sharp. You go across to a genuine one and literally it's perfect. So be aware, these will not give you a very good shave. They're fake, they're not genuine Braun products.